Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the rear cover edges and apply heat to soften the glue on the back cover. Alternatively, you can use a heat pad or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, apply little heat on the camera lens and take out both camera lenses from the body. There are two camera lenses. Replace the required broken camera lens with a new unit and place it on the cover. Make sure to apply adhesive to it and clean the surface. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.